All right, guys, so it's me. I'm back, and today I'm trying this place called Fancy Fruits. It's actually like a Spanish grocery store slash food section. They have like a little food section you can actually get food, and it's actually pretty good. So I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, guys. So like I told you, here see is like a grocery store. Yeah, you can actually get like pretty good meat in here. Like if you into like barbecuing and stuff for real cheap. So here's the food section they have a lot of nice selections of food and stuff. So today I'm going with the stewed chicken and the rice and peas. Hey, how you doing? Hey, so I get a plate. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
One?
Yeah, one. I'll do the rice and peas. Yep, that's good. Thank you.
Beans?
No beans. And the stewed chicken. Stewed chicken looks good, right?
¿No hay más pollo guisado acá? ¿No? Bueno, ¿sí o no?
And that's it. Thank you. That's it. Uh, no.
No.
No, thank you. Gracias. All right, guys. I will continue back at the house to show you what the food looks like. All right, guys. So I am back at the crib. So here's a close up on what the food looks like. Looks pretty good, right? And the food is delicious, guys. Like, trust me, you just have to try it. So I think they have a few locations in the Seminole County and the Orange County area in Florida. So if you visiting or if you live in Florida and you're in one of those counties, and I'm not sure if they have it like in any other counties, but I know those two counties they have this restaurant for sure. So give it a try, guys. And the price is pretty reasonable. All this food, and I think I only paid like a little over almost $10, like nine and some change, like $9.62 for all this food, guys. You can't beat it. So again, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Have a good day, guys. I'm out. Peace.